Hi everyone, my name is Anusha Sen and I'm working as a quality engineer at SiriusXM. I really wanted to make one video on this very particular question in which a lot of students ask, like whenever you are applying for internship or for example, any job on your CPT work permit while you're in school, many students say, oh, we still have a lot of like months left on our CPT. We still have whole 3 years of OPT. Should we just go with like, do with this question, like, do you require sponsorship in future? Just can we go with no, because they think that they will be rejected if they like take yes. But I will suggest that always go for the answer yes, because you never know that your CPT, whatever your job you're doing on internship or CPT, could turn into full time, like it happened with me. If I would have selected no at that time, it could backfire me. So always go with this option yes, because eventually OPT will exhaust and you will be requiring sponsorship. You will be requiring companies to add your name in the H1B wage-based selection system from now on. So just be very careful with whatever option you're selecting in that. And you cannot just go and apply randomly to every job. Just carefully read the roles and requirements. It is clearly mentioned whether that company is sponsoring for that job or not. So don't weed out like the entire company based on one job, because some companies sponsor for some roles and they do not do for like specific roles. So it doesn't mean that the company does not entirely sponsor. It's just that role that you're looking for. And there's this very popular website that most of us people on H1B knows, that is like h1bgrader.com. You can go over there and see like whatever companies like sponsor H1B, in which it will be very easy for you to go and shortlist the jobs you want to apply for. Thank you.